Guys, let's just unpack on indaba le ukuthi uNandipha wants to change her surname to her maiden surname uSekeleni. Yeah, because akhumbula ubaba wakhe ukuthi wakaSekeleni. Guys, nje ibuhlungu indaba kaNandipha. I just wanted to touch ukuqala endabeni kababa wakhe engesena lawyer. Ethi akanayo imali yokukhokhela i-lawyer. But I was just like, in the first place, bruh, you are actually a pensioner. Why didn't you start vele uye illegal aid beyona bezokhokhela? Because uyayibona le lawyer le kaNandipha zishisiwe imali ekhokha for Lord guy, because he can't keep on fighting for uNandipha, especially le nto yakhe ukuthi wakidnapper from eTanzania. Angazi wakidnapper ubani mina uNandipha, because uNandipha walanda eTanzania wayesebalekile. She was actually a fugitive and was extradited to come back to South Africa. Like, how were you kidnapped? Who kidnapped you? Amaphayisa. You can't even be serious right now. Guys, I don't want to lie. I've said it so many times. If you've seen my videos on my other channel, What's the Tea, Siyahlazi, I have mentioned me many times ukuthi ibuhlungu into kaNandipha, because in the first place wayinengane, she just didn't think about it. And for her, it wasn't even money. Love, guys. This is just so crazy. Bezo bebhalile khona obhale ku-Twitter ukuthi lalela eneseke ngalowo muntu akashintshe isenimi yakhe oqala i-right kabi leya ndoda ayishade nayo. And ibonile leya ndoda zange zitry ufuna ukwaziwa and wanting attention kwi-media and be saying stuff about him. Ukuthi ngubani mina ngisaleni ingane akahambe loyo. His main concern was the children. Phela zange zabe nandaba okokuqala bamshiya bahamba nesigereqa somgulukudu. Guys, the stuff that people say on Twitter, I'm just like, kodwa Nkosi yami. But uyabona manje umsebenzi wokuhamba nemgulukudu. Kuba ayikho into oshoda ngayo. You had everything going for you. You had your own practice morning side. Malini rent lapha, guys. Ubufunani elifini ubusy nemgulukudu idoti. Tiyagcina grade 5. Imagine. I was just like, I'm done. Kodwa Nkosi yami bamudonsa usisi ku Twitter. Actually, the whole of social media I saw yesterday also on Facebook. Actually, when I go to Facebook, it comes out every time lento bafaka isithombe sakhe sakudala esamuhle, and then there were few pictures zakhe futhi zomshado. I was just like, guys, abantu bayithatha izithombe zomshado omdala kangaka umshado. Ucashe usaseplaza ithombe mhlambe ku-Instagram ngiyacabanga. Iy'thombe zakhe zomshado, and especially lezi zakhe yabo nje bese shintshile manje. Like I also made a video last week about her ukuthi she's changed a lot. Not ukuthi mina I'm body shaming her and all of that, but nasebusweni akasekho right nje, ubuso bakhe buyile. She doesn't really necessarily eat at jail, and in jail akadli. Also baveza ney'thombe zakhe like her travels nje, when she was traveling a lot no TB uThabo Best, or she was just traveling alone bemveza in swimming costume. Basi nje buka i-difference. Mina the difference that I noticed last week, I didn't mention ukuthi I just felt ukuthi also she's getting darker. Angithi phela lo muntu ubene practice yoma beauty bani. I'm sure nayo bezenza ama-drips laphana, you know, nama-drops azifaka vitamin C plus or vitamin B, so that ibhikho ube mhlophe ngithi njengokhanya imbawu. Guys, those things zinabantu bazo. Mina I've always said anginankinga imali yakho, please zizenze. Just mina I'm so obsessed with being natural. Even my hair is natural, so I'm just like I can't. This is fake. Zangidlula. It just becomes crazy. I got guys. That's fun, masabantu. Can you do what makes us happy? Nandipha at the time did what made her happy, to a point where I'm just like, uThabo Best naye. Someone was even saying, why yapi ewulwethe sentini? Yapi? Go manje buka ukuthi ba-end up kanjani. Ukuthanda izinto, someone was even saying ukuthi ngabe bavele nje. Actually uThabo Best at the time he came out of Mangaung prison, ngabe wavele wahamba kwakuleyo Tanzania yakhe. Same time, hayi lonto ukuthi uhambe wazi ukuthi waphuma kanjani ejele uhamba amawulwethe. a scammer of a scammer of emgulukudu of esigebengu sabo best. So nje abantu abamsupport guys bathi hayi manje why ayithele ngasuthi ufuna ukushintsha ube wakasekeleni ngoba vele wakasekeleni wena uyizona wafebela indoda ha ngathi ngeke guys abantu they will dance you. Bakhona nje here and there bemkhulumela but most people nje ngiboneni even ku-Facebook besides Twitter ke they just like hayi awusiyeke please bona indoda e-right kabi wena kuyayibona khona manje ukhuluma leyo ndoda leyo ayikaze zikhulume. So guys asiyibekeni lapho for now. Thank you so much guys for your support. Ngithanda over.